Okay, so we know topic, right? Everyone knows about topic. What is topic?
Yes, sir.
So in case of topic, let's say message is published. What will happen? I publish a message to topic on JMS server or UM, universal messaging. It's a topic. I have few subscribers, 5 subscribers. What will happen? Okay, okay. All receive the topic message. Okay, so you know this one. All receive the topic message. Suppose let's say subscriber is down. One of the subscriber is stopped for some reason or inactive. Inactive. So what will happen? Messages published when publish the messages.
It will be stored in topic only.
So it's
All
in
messages are
topic.
stored in
If
topic.
subscriptions are active, then it will store to the. Then it will
All
go to the
messages are,
subscription.
all messages are stored in topic. Subscriber receives the message from topic.
Okay. So message will not be stored in topic. What will happen is a message is published. At that time, if the receiver is dead, that message, a copy of that message is given to receiver. A copy of message is given to receiver. A copy of this message is given to another receiver. Okay. But if suppose let's say this is inactive because of some reason, like maybe stop, shut down. Okay. Something has happened to this receiver. If sender is sending the messages, or publisher is sending the messages, topic messages, only those are active, they only receive the messages. Okay, those are inactive. After restart also, after active, the old messages are, it will not receive. The messages which published before it's active, all those messages are gone. It will not be available for consuming that subscriber. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, we know queue. In case of queue, it's a point to point.
Yes.
Okay. So only one, if sender is sending messages, only one receiver can only receive message. Okay. And it can persist the message also in case of queue, persist the message. So even if receiver is inactive, after it becomes active, old messages it can receive because it is stored in the JMS server. This is also clear, right? Correct? Okay. Now I want same feature, like multiple receivers should receive the message. Multiple receivers should receive the message. At the same time, I wanted guaranteed delivery. Are you getting? In case of topic, there is no guaranteed delivery, right? All will receive the messages, but there is no guaranteed delivery. Okay. In case of queue, guaranteed delivery is there. Okay, but only one receiver will receive the message. Okay. So I want both features, like multiple receivers should receive the message. At the same time, I want guaranteed delivery. So in that scenario, we'll go with the durable topic. Okay. So in case of durable topic, what will happen is subscriber, this receiver will inform to this one, the topic, hey, I am a durable topic receiver. Okay. I'm a durable topic receiver. In that case, what will happen is, first I will explain the logic and then whatever Anusha explains, the definitions and all. So you will come to know. So let's say this will have a subscriber ID, subscription ID. Okay, each receiver will have an ID. Okay, every topic subscriber or your topic or queue, subscription ID will be there. Okay, or ID will be there, client ID, basically receiver ID or client ID will be there. But in case of durable topic, we call it as a subscription ID. Okay, each will have subscription ID. It's not the same. It's a unique subscription ID will be there. Okay, so each receiver will have subscription ID. So whenever a receiver says I'm a durable topic receiver, okay, with that ID, it will be registered in the JMS server. Okay. So a message is published. What will happen now? Let's say message. This is message. This message. Let's say change it. Okay. When this message is published to a topic, and if any one of the subscribers are registered as a durable subscriber, durable topic subscriber, a copy of that message will be stored in the JMS server. Let's say 3 are there. So 3 topic messages, a copy of T messages will be stored, and it will be delivered to each of them. Are you getting? Like this. Okay. In case this topic subscriber is stopped, okay, or inactive, what will happen is when a message is published, right, this will be stored here. For ID 3, message will be stored. Are you getting? ID 3, message will be stored. Let's say next message is published again. One more message, it came. Okay, that message will be given to here also. Okay, but since this is inactive, right? So that message will be stored here. When this subscriber, topic subscriber is active, then at the time, because these messages are stored for this ID only, the same ID, when it started, the message will be delivered. Is that clear or not? Theoretical, first definitions, forget about definition. Okay, so in case of Q, just a second. So in case of topic, all the receivers will receive the message, but if any one of the receiver is inactive when the messages are published, they won't receive the messages when they become active. Okay, and the new messages when published, when the new messages are published, at the time if the subscribers are active, then only they will receive the messages. That is in case of topic. Okay, but in case of Q, only one receiver will receive the message. Okay, but there is a persistence will be provided for that message. That means if the sender is sending the message at the time, if the receiver is inactive, the message will be stored on the EMS server, on the JMS server, and when receiver is active, it will receive the messages from the JMS server. Okay. In case of a topic, a durable topic, what will happen is all the subscriber, all the receiver will receive the messages. Okay, so all will receive the messages. But when we say a durable topic subscriber, the message will be stored on the JMS server when the subscriber is inactive. And once the subscriber is active, all the stored messages will be delivered to the subscriber. Okay, is that clear? So every durable subscriber, okay, every durable subscriber will have a subscription ID. Anisha, I'm correct, right? Whatever I explained. Okay. Okay. If you have idea, right? So let's say this is not a durable subscriber. This is just a topic subscriber. Okay. This is configured as a durable topic subscriber. Okay. And this is also durable topic subscriber. Okay. Now, so this is a subscription ID 2, subscription ID 3. This is not a durable topic receiver. So it's a normal topic receiver. Okay. Now, think about this scenario. A message is published to topic. All will receive the messages. Okay. This will receive the message, this will receive, this will receive the message. let's say this is inactive. Okay, so this is inactive and a message is published. What will happen? This will receive a message, this also will receive the message, but a copy of message will be stored in JMS server for this subscription ID. Okay, now let's say this is also stopped. This is also inactive, assuming. Okay, so both are inactive. Let's say message is published. What will happen now? Since this is active, so it will receive the message. This is inactive, right? So it will be stored here. Okay, and yeah, and one more message. What will happen? One more message. Okay, one more message published. Suppose this will go to the same message. It will be stored here. Now two messages are stored for this one message is for this one. Let's say fourth message is published. Okay, this will receive the message. This one is inactive, right? So it will be stored, that message. Okay, and one more message will be stored for this one. Is that clear so far? Now this is also inactive. This subscriber is also inactive. What will happen? Shiva, I'm not able to hear. TLL, you are saying TLL, time to leave. Yeah, everything will have destination. Okay. So, okay, yeah, I will explain that destination. Okay, just give me a second. Okay, first let me. Okay, so let's say sender from the beginning. Sender is sending hello world. Assuming hello world is a message. Sender is sending hello world is a message. Message is okay. Hello. Okay, on a destination name. Destination name. There will be destination name. Let's say what I can say, it's a 97.5 FM. Okay, just assuming this is a topic name or no. Topic name is customer. Student. Student.1. Student 1 is that destination name. Okay, so destination name. Every message, every topic message, every queue message will have a destination, right? In case of JMS, right? So that is by default. Destination name will be definitely there. JMS, so message hello is published on a destination. All are receiving on the same destination, then only they will receive the messages. Okay, it's the same for topic, queue, durable, everything. Okay, if the destination name is matching, then only they receive the message, whichever is published. If sender is sending, okay, publisher is publishing on destination 2, okay, and these are waiting for these are trying to receive the message on destination student 1, student 1, student 1, then they won't receive the message. Okay, if the destination name matches, then only they will receive the message. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now let me bring our first point step. Let's say first time one. So from the subscriber point of view, we will say like whether durable subscriber or not. Okay, from the sender side, while sending the message, we will not say like it's a durable topic or not. Is that clear? Only subscriber will say, hey, I am a durable topic subscriber. Okay, sender is just publishes on a topic. It's a normal topic. They will send message with a destination name and the message will be published. Okay, receivers on the receiver side are listener, a subscriber, receive the message on the same destination. Okay. If they're not configured as durable topic subscriber, if they're not configured as durable topic subscriber with a subscription ID, okay, they are considered as a normal topic. Okay. No message will be stored on the JMS server for that subscriber. If any one of the subscriber says I'm a durable topic subscriber with ID, for that subscriber, message will be stored on JMS server if in case that durable subscriber is inactive. Is that clear statement?
Yes, sir.
Okay. In a graphical way to understand more. Okay. It says this sending application, sending a hello world message on destination student 1. Okay. At the time, assuming all three are active. Okay. And this one is says like when this subscriber started, at the time they are saying like it is configured as like a durable topic subscriber with ID, some ID. Let's say 2. Okay. And this guy also, this switcher is also configured as durable topic subscriber with ID 3. Okay. In that case, that message will go to all. So when message is coming to the topic, a copy of this message goes to here, a copy of messages goes to here. Okay. Okay. And this copy, a copy of this message goes to here. Okay. And this will be removed. Once copy message to all, it removed. Okay. It will go like this. Okay. Now, second message is published on the same destination student 1. At the time, assuming this guy is inactive. Okay, inactive. But all are active. These two are active. In that case, this message will be given to here. Copy of message. This. Okay. So this message, the copy of message is given to this guy. Okay. But since this is inactive, right? So that message will be stored with ID 3 in JMS server. Okay. Now, let us say one more message is coming. Okay. Which is again hello world message student 1. It's published. This time, suppose let's say, I'm just giving idea. Like this is also inactive. What will happen now? This message is given to here. Okay. This guy is not there. So it will be stored here. Okay. With ID 2. So ID 2 is a subscription ID. ID 2. So that this guy, whenever is active, okay, they can get the messages of this one. This message only. Okay. And this guy is also inactive. So that message is stored here. So 2 messages are stored for this guy, 1 message is stored for this guy. Okay, and no message stored for this guy. Now, one more message is coming. Okay, on the same destination, student 1, message is received. This time, assuming this guy is stopped, inactive. Okay, all are inactive now. But what will happen now? This message will not be sent to, will not be stored here. Why? Only message will be stored. It's just a topic. It's not a durable topic. This guy says, I'm just a topic. I'm not a durable topic. Okay. So that's why the message will be stored for this guy here. Okay. And the message will be stored for this guy here. Let's say this guy is active now. Okay. The moment it started, this guy is having 3 messages stored, right, for him. So messages will go here. 3 messages on. When this guy is active, okay, this message will go here, this message will go here. Okay, let's say one. Yeah, it's in first out. Okay. So now one more message is published. Okay, that message comes to here. Okay, this is inactive, but these are 2 are active, right? Copy of message will goes to here. This message will goes to here. Okay, but no message will be stored for this one. Okay, is that clear? Durable topic, how it works. Okay,
Yes, sir.
yeah, many
If
Sir,
Go ahead.
sir, in queue also we can store the messages in JMS server, no sir. Then what is the difference between durable topic and queue?
Okay, anyone can answer that question?
sir, I will answer. Okay, Shiva answer.
Yeah.
Okay.
So first, Meghana, the first difference is, in case of queue, okay, only one will receive message, not both. Any one.
Okay, sir.
That's the difference. Okay.
Okay, sir.
In case of topic, all will receive the message. All the durable topics will receive the message, and the messages will persist per topic, durable topic, not for all the topics. Okay. This durable subscriber will have his own storage in the JMS server. This durable subscriber will have his own storage. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Or if the message,
No, queue will have only one storage, right? Because it's receiving only one receiver. Okay.
if
So
in the durable topic, if the receiver is not activated for long time, it will be removed, sir, from
no,
JMS
it will
server.
be stored. It will be stored. It will be stored. Yeah, it will be stored because ID is there, subscription ID is there, as it will be stored in the JMS server.
How we
If we
can
want to
make some
deliver any
student-
guaranteed information, we have to subscribe for durable topic.
Correct. I want all the subscriber to be subscribed that message with guarantee delivery. Okay. In that case,
Okay,
I will
sir.
go with the durable topic.
Okay, sir.
how we can make some student one only to subscription ID to where we can mention
Okay.
in the topic or before.
In the receiver, on the receiver side, not on the topic, sender side. In the receiver side, we'll have option like okay, let's start it. I will show you. Okay, so on the receiver side, so think about logically think about this subscriber is there. I wanted to inform topic, hey, store messages for me. Okay, so this topic also should say like hey, store receiver. This receiver and this receiver should say like the JMS server, hey, store messages for me. Okay, so that topic subscriber, durable topic subscriber, we configure at receiver side. Okay, is that clear?
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, so this durable topic, right? So if you are attending any interview, okay, of course, the integration, I'm talking about integration space, okay, they will ask this question. It's a definite question. Okay, with explaining this one answer, right? Okay, your interview outcome will change completely. Okay, are you getting? So many times I have seen like people are even 5 years, 8 years experience, fail to explain a durable same stuff. Under trigger, so this is UM. Under UM it will not be there. Under JMS you will have. Have you seen this one? Sorry, durable subscriber name. This one. So this is Q.
Yes.
That's why it is not shown. Let's say I created another topic. This one is topic. Or you can select this topic durable subscriber. You select a durable subscriber. At that time, you will give here durable subscriber name. ID1, ID2 like that. You can give name. Is that clear? So this is a topic. Sender just publishes on the topic, but on the subscriber receiver side will select durable subscriber with the subscriber name we will give. Okay, suppose let's say what I'm giving, let's say topic. Still you can give it automatically durable because you are given this value. Let me give. So in that case, if you give the value something, it becomes durable. Okay, because durable subscriber name they are given. Okay. And one more thing is like two receivers. Suppose let's say you have a two receivers. Okay, they should not have same durable subscriber ID, subscriber name. Here I give an ID, but it's a name, durable subscriber name. It should not. Okay, why? If you have two durable subscribers have the same subscriber name, what will happen? Logically think. Don't go with the JMS. Okay, suppose let's say I have this subscriber with a name, this subscription name 2. This is one more subscriber, durable subscriber with name 2 only. Same name or ID, whatever the. Okay, what will happen if both have the same name?
Both are received.
But do you accept like that?
It
Logical
won't
thing.
accept.
One message received both.
No, see,
It is subscription names ID should be set.
suppose for example, in a project, we're thinking a project. So Shiva is in his house. Okay, Sudha is Anusha, different location, and Jashwant is different place. Okay, both you guys are developing a subscriber. Assuming, okay, no communication between you guys. Whatever Anusha developing, Shiva Prasad don't know. Similarly, Jashwant also don't know about these two guys. Okay, developing the services, receivers for different purpose. But you three making a durable topic to receive message on a student one. Okay. Unfortunately, you both are given subscription name as name 2. Okay. Then, so the way you talk, like only one will receive. Shiva, you said right. Only one will receive. Then Jashwant will think, right, why he didn't get that message. He started. His code is not.
Already.
Yeah. So how he knows someone is started on subscription 2, same subscriber name, subscription name. No, right? Jashwant don't know unless he call you or find out what is happening. Right?
Yes, sir.
So that is not possible. So what, how this JMS is designed is, suppose let's say Anusha started with the name 2, subscription name 2. Okay. So it checks, this JMS server checks what it will check. Oh, the subscription name is unique or not. Yeah, unique and available or not. Okay. So if it is there, it allows this subscriber to start. Okay, name to start. Now the moment Jashwant is starting with the name 2, exact name, he will get an error saying that subscription name is not unique.
already existed, it will say.
Correct.
Shows
So
already exists.
yeah. So just one come to know like, oh, I started same. So someone is started same name. So I need to modify that name so that it will be started on different name. Okay, that is one. Second is JMS also for the each subscriber they should store separately, right? It should not mix and match because I explained that three messages were piled up here, and for this one, two messages only. Okay, so all may not start at the same time, all may not be stopped at the same time. Okay, so we need to store messages separately, per receiver separate messages. Are you getting the one I mentioned?
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay, yeah. So subscription name should be unique. Okay, that yes. Okay, so this is a durable topic. Some name should be there. Okay, but receiver is nothing but a trigger. Receiver is nothing but trigger because a message, whenever the message is in the JMS server, it triggers our flow. That's why they call it as a trigger. Okay. Okay. So if I have, let's say, destination equal to destination name is, let's say, hello is my destination name. If you created hello destination, I need to see your code, how you are publishing. Okay, so you are publishing this one, right?
Send a topic.
Yeah. So here, what is your destination name? You need to see here the destination name. Okay, you are given the destination name is hello. Okay, so you publish this one. Next, if another receiver means I need to create another service like this, flow service. It should be a trigger and it will receive on destination. Okay, it should be like this. Okay, is it clear so far?
Yes, yes.
Okay, now question here comes. What is this one? You may ask question.
No, not this one.
Not this one here. Okay.
Topic. I mentioned.
Yeah. So you may ask question, why destination 2, 3 destinations are given here? Okay. You may ask question here, one destination, two destinations. But if you give two destinations, this belongs to joins. Are you getting? So
Yes.
in that case, suppose let's say you can create, I think you remember two different handlers we made it. Customer,
Yes.
I think order.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you can configure one trigger with two destinations, two different destinations you can configure. Why it is not allowing me to select anything? Can you click on something? The system got hanged? Whatever I'm talking, is it clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you have to think like that. Okay, when you're working, right? Not only when you are learning, you think like this. Then you will able to develop the code, even POCs. So let's say I'm publishing to a topic first. So I need a flow service because I will check is there any publisher is there, how I can search. Okay, so this is adapter service. So this is adapter notification. There will be buffer table created and it will publish whatever the records. So like that you can go through it one by one. JMS trigger is there. This is the receiver side. Okay, and there is no publisher. So I will go and create a flow service now in that case. Okay, so I will say like create customer. Okay, it's a service, flow service. Inside that, first I will do is I will write a log, say that I'm sending a message before actually published. Okay, I dropped it. Here I I know this. These are the variables, local variable. This one is for global variable. Okay. Received. Okay. Sending. Publishing. Create customer message to JMS server. Okay. I'm using now. So I'm not going to use universal messaging. I will use a JMS for this testing. Okay. You got it right. Universal messaging JMS. We have two. So I'm using JMS. So in that case, pub.jms.send, I can use it to publish a message. Okay. When I'm using send, I'm not waiting any response from the application. From the receiver, I'm not waiting. So if I want something response from my receiver, okay, I will use send and wait. Okay, but I will use now send message.
And
Okay, like that. Just to think what we wanted. So now send. So this is a topic or queue. Maybe let's say go with the topic. First we are the thinking. Okay. So this is connection alias. We should get it from our what do you call integration server. You have integration server open. Okay. Oh, localhost. Can you enter the password?
so
Okay. Now messaging I can click. And JMS setting I'm using. Okay, this is my connection. I will use this connection, default connection. Generally, this we will not use default. We will have our different connection, but we are doing testing, right? Only trial version. Now, in the project, we will have a proper. It's not like default JMS connection. It will be a different name. It's like it depends on project to project. It will change. Okay, in one of the project like dev_is_jms_ connection. It was there for production prod_is_jms_ connection. Like that, we'll have a different connections. Okay, are you getting?
process same like this one, sir. Real project.
Yeah, in real project, it will not be JMS connection. The default ISJMS. It will be different names will be there. Okay, in a project, actual project when you work, so your lead who will there or project, they will explain you like so which connection you need to use. Generally, in one of the projects, in many projects it's different, but in one of the projects which I work, it is like IS dev_IS JMS_connection. Like that they use. Okay, for development. Okay, for development. For QA, I told you there will be a testing environment. Right? Development is what you are developing. Okay, there will be another environment, IS JMS_connection. It will be for testing environment. There will be a production environment, live environment. So like that, in that case, prod is there. Okay, in actual projects, it will be like this. Okay, proper caps and code. Caps you can take it, everything. JMS_connection. Okay, like this, it will be there. When you're doing the development, you will configure with this one. Okay, so I'm going to take this JMS connection. I copied this one. Okay, I will go to the code. Here, this is my value connection area. This also actually will give it some global variable. Okay, with the development after deployment, we can change it. I will I will explain what is the deployment, the word I'm using. Why do we need this connection as a global variable? Because here I hard coded, right? This one is a default. It's a kind of hard code. Okay,
Yes.
but when I move to testing environment, from the development to testing environment, I will not open the code and modify this one. Okay, Once we develop the code, right? Once you develop the code, it goes to testing environment. So there won't be any changes in the code. Okay. If any defect is raised, then only we'll fix the code. Otherwise, we will not touch the code. Okay. That code will be deployed to production once testing is done. Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
So here it will be like that. Okay. Your code is first tested in dev environment. Then once you confirm, like, hey, my code is developed as per the requirement, you tested, unit testing, everything is done. Okay, that code will be deployed. I'm using deployment. Okay, word deployed or deployment. Okay, we'll talk about deployment. What is deployment? Many people will talk deployment. Okay, we'll explain later. Okay, so code which you develop in dev environment, local environment, okay, that will be deployed in QA environment. When you are deploying QA environment, database connection will be separate, JMS connection will be separate, and your port numbers, everything will be separate. Okay, even you will not able to access also some environment. You will have only access to dev environment. You don't have even access to QA environment or production environment. You will not allowed to start or deploy also. Okay, so there will be in companies, it will be like this. Development team will be there. Okay, development team, testing team will be there. There is a admin guys. We'll call admin guys or DevOps. Maybe you heard DevOps these days words. Okay, the team will be separate. Okay, we do only development. We do test unit testing, and then we will deploy our code in development environment. Later, this DevOps team, they will deploy your code in QA or prod. Okay, like that. That's okay. Okay, you got it right. How I'm not going in detail how organization will work, but slowly we'll learn. So right now I'm giving you little bit knowledge on development environment, testing environment, QA environment. Is that good enough? Understand? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, now this is done connection. So usually we hard coded here, but we'll go with the global variable so that it will be changed during the after deployment. It can be changed. So ls name is done. Here I will destination is create customer is my destination name. Okay, this also will give global variable, but right now I'm hard coding. Okay, and destination type, we know like we thought to go with the topic. So durable subscriber comes under receiver side. When we create a receiver, we'll say whether it's a durable topic or normal topic. Okay, so let's say topic we created. Now if we explain JMS message, so JMS message is a message which actually published onto JMS server. Okay, so it contains three: header, properties, and body. So header properties will have delivery mode. This one, this says like persistence or non
persistence.
Yeah. So when you set it to persistence, it will be stored in the
Guaranteed storage.
Yes. So tell me one question, Anisha. So topic, we said like it's non-reliable. We know topic is non-reliable because when a receiver is available, at that time only the message will be delivered, right? If the receiver is not there, the message will be lost. You remember, right? Topic. What is the use of delivery mode? You got it. There is no use of delivery mode, right? Even if it is persistent, non-persistent, what is the use? So we are not going to store the topic messages, right? You got it? Okay. So Shiva, you got it? This one or not? Okay. So topic. We know nature of the topic. What is the nature of the topic? Let's say if I publish just one for you also, and you should have get this question. You should have asked me this question. What is the use of delivery mode? Okay. In case of topic, in case of queue, it can be understandable. Okay. But in case of topic, let's say go with the topic. So topic is nothing but let's say it's a kind of a broadcast message. You remember I told broadcast message.
Yes, sir.
It's a similar to radio. So when a news is broadcasted, whoever tuned to that frequency, they will receive the messages that receive the news. Otherwise, they will not receive the news. Similarly, topic also says when I publish a message, at the time if the receivers are there, receivers are active. Basically, receivers are there means they are active, not just stay. When they are active, okay, when the receivers are active, they will receive the message. Otherwise, they won't receive the message. So in this case, there is no storage is required, right? In this communication, topic communication. So in that mode, delivery mode is of no use. Okay, but they designed this famous message such that they given like delivery mode. Okay, delivery mode is only applicable in case of queue or queue. You got it? In case of queue, because in queue we know message will be persistent.
Yes.
Maybe it is persistent in the memory or it's in the database or file system. Okay, in case of
Yes.
queue, it's a guaranteed delivery. Okay, reliable communication. Okay, so it will be stored, message will be stored. Okay, even message will be stored. Okay, so and we learn like when message will be stored, where we are storing, we are not saying. Okay, message will be stored when receiver is inactive.
is inactive.
Receivers are
Yeah.
inactive.
Okay, so message will be stored when receiver is inactive. Now, where it stores? Okay,
JMS.
yeah,
JMS
it stores
server.
yeah, it stores in JMS, but it depends on again persistence or non-persistence. Okay, if it is persistence, it will be stored in database or file system. Okay, are you getting persistence? Then it will store in DB or file. But if it is non-persistent, it stores in where? Any idea? It stores in memory.
Memory.
Okay. So that's why like it will be stored in memory. Okay. As long as server is not restarted, the message will be there in the JMS server. So when receiver is active, all the pending message will be delivered. Okay. Clear, right? So in case of topic, there is no use of delivery mode. Okay, there is no use. Okay, delivery mode, there are two. Still it says like, say persistence, not persistent. Persistent, not persistence. Okay, persistent. Okay, persistent, not persistent. Okay, so it's they design like in case of topic also they given like that, but it's of no use. Are you getting? So in case of topic, there is no use of persistent or non-persistent. Okay, why? Because in the nature of topic is like message will not be stored. Okay, if the
receivers are inactive.
if the receivers are inactive, message will not be delivered. Message is lost. Okay, so that's why
QA also.
in case of
In QA we can we can select anything else. How can we know, sir? Depends on receiver
Okay.
only. We can have to select.
Okay, no. In case of queue, nature of publisher. Now, publisher says whether you wanted to store in memory or you wanted to store in file system. Okay, default is memory. If you not set anything, okay, the value is considered as non-persistent. Okay,
If you won't mention anything, it is non-persistent.
correct. It will be stored in the memory, and when JMS server is restarted, all the messages will be lost.
Lost.
Okay, clear? No, now this is set. Okay, forget about these values. We'll come to know later. Okay, properties. What are the properties here? Right? We can use this in selector, message selector. Only property. What are the values there in properties or header properties? We can use in message selector. We'll talk about later. Message selector. Now body. We know like the message, byte. These are the options are given. Usually we'll map it from pipeline input or previous activity, previous steps. What are the previous steps are there? Output from that previous step, we'll map it to one of these. Okay.
Yes.
Right now I'm hard coding. Let's say something like that. Create customer. Create a new customer. I'm just giving message, but actually message proper with customer ID, customer name, all those details will be in an XML message. We'll map it here. Okay, create a new customer. Are you getting? So basically, in actual project, we'll map it to this data. This one is a document. You see, this one is a document. Okay, we'll map a document to here in actual flow. But right now, I'm using string just to test for purpose. Is that clear? Otherwise, what we do is in the pipeline, we'll go to the actual pipeline input. We'll create the document here, customer ID, customer name, and all. In the tree, that document we will map it here. Actually, here in the document here, data. What is string and byte? Okay, string is nothing but text message will be published, text message. Byte will be, there is a binary, it will convert it into a base 64. There is a base 64 option is there. It converts byte and then it will be sent. Okay, so generally we use string ASCII. Do you know ASCII content? ASCII is
Yes, sir. ASCII values.
right.
ASCII values.
Okay, so when we use ASCII, most of the time we'll use string only. But suppose let's say I wanted to send kind of images, or I wanted to send some kind of Chinese languages. I wanted Japan, like there will be some different symbols. Okay, so those cannot be sent in the text format. Okay, because those are not ASCII content. Okay, so those things we will use byte. Okay, if you want to send plain text kind of thing, ASCII content, use string. Okay, sometimes performance will be good if I use byte. Okay, but that's a later, we'll learn. Okay, but if I wanted to send a document, you should map to data. That is a document. 60 data type is document. Have you seen? Okay, so this is document type. So if you have a document, customer ID, customer name, and customer details as a document, you know how to create a document type. Okay.
Yes, sir. Document type.
So yeah, that document type you can map it here. Okay. Now we publish map your string. Correct. Just a message. I wanted to just publish a string. That's why I used a string. Otherwise, in an actual flow, we will have a document a type created in the previous. Yeah, data will map. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So after publish, I wanted message to be printed saying that hey publish, so that it helps me in doing the debugging. Okay, the message published or not. Okay, I can go here and I can drag and drop, or little bit I got control C, control V. I will copy this. Let us see. Okay, I will try to paste it if it works or not. We got experience, right? So no need to go and drag there. So what I thought, like here. Okay, yeah. Now I will go here. Instead of this one, I will say that published message. Okay, published message to JMS. Okay, I did this one. Okay, now I will go and run and see if this is working or not. Then I will create a receiver. Okay, last message is published. Okay, here. So this message is already there. Okay, is that clear so far?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now I will go to the my universal messaging viewer or enterprise viewer, if it is working or not in like messages. So this is a enterprise viewer or console to see like pending messages are there or not. Okay, so I'm going with JMS. So customer, create customer. Okay, one message is published. Okay, suppose let's say I wanted to view the data. Where can you see Snoop? There should be Snoop option. There's no Snoop. Okay, so this is a topic. That's why it is not showing Snoop. Okay, Snoop is like where we can even JMS also you can see. Okay, so but this is a different. WM is when you are using web method messaging, this will come. Okay, but here it is showing it's a JMS case. Okay, if it is both cases, it will show. Snoop will come. Something is not coming. Okay, so let's say now I will publish one more message and see if it is working or not, just to see. Okay, it's published. Let me go and see two messages. Yeah, two messages published. Okay, now what I will do is I will create my first receiver and then I will create the second receiver. Okay, so receiver is nothing but in case of JMS, you can do two ways you can create the receiver. Okay, here JMS trigger is there. In the flow service also you can do the receiver, but we will create a JMS receiver here. Okay, JMS trigger is nothing but whenever a message is there in the JMS server, that JMS message server will trigger the message. Okay, provided both it should be configured with the same destination name. Okay, let's say I'm creating a destination name. So what I will say is create receiver A. First I'm talking about receiver underscore A. We will have 3 receivers. Okay, I'll say receiver A. Okay, actually the meaning different will be that it may not be in the same folder. It can be in the different package altogether. Okay, but right now our testing purpose we are creating here. Okay, is it clear what we are doing here?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
so in the receiver I'm using the same destination, default destination what we published. Okay, but in case of actual project, if the sender is publishing on this destination, this JMS connection, receiver also should be connected to the same JMS connection. Okay, it should not be like sender is publishing on dev and the receiver is trying to receive on QA. It will not work. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so connection name should be same. Okay, so connection is same. Now here destinations and message selectors. So I'm going to receive from one destination only. In this case, I don't have any correlation between 2 different events. Okay, so here that's why I'm creating one destination. That destination is create customer. It's a topic. Okay, now message selector. Message selector means like I'm not giving any message selector now, but if I give message selector, I can filter some of the messages. So by default, it will receive all the topic messages, but I can filter like only based on the properties and header. We'll see, okay, how it works. But right now, what I'm saying is I'm not using any selector. If you have a selector, selector will work like a filter. Okay, we'll see that. Now, okay, so you remember first we should not create a trigger. We should not create a trigger. We should create a handler first,
Handler, sir.
and then only it works. Okay, we have seen that issue with the yes. So I will create a handler first. Okay, so I will create 3 handlers. Okay, receiver handlers. Basically, I'm talking about receiver handler underscore A. So this will receive customer, create customer. Okay, now finish. We know handler should be configured with, since it is a JMS receiver, it should have a JMS message here.
Yes. We have to document reference.
Document reference, correct. So here I will,
WM public.
yes, WM public,
JMS. JMS message.
and you need to give JMS.
JMS message.
Okay, so we given
Save.
this is the message. Okay, so in the input that message is received, what I will do is I will log a message, okay, saying that received in receiver A. Okay, flow, some drag and drop here. Message here received message in receiver A, underscore A. Okay, I will give percentage local variable. Okay, so that I will print the message also. Okay, so I'm going to take this pod is there. So this message, I'm copying this path. Okay, I double click here. Here, I'm pressing. Okay. So you got it right what I'm doing. Everyone getting like. Okay. I'll save this one. This is handler, right? I will, instead of 3 times doing what I'm doing, I've created copy paste here. I can do like this. Okay. I think you remember if you are, what is this green button says? This is created by you.
Locked
Yeah,
by
locked.
who is locked by?
Yeah. So if I can paste it, doing the copy paste replication, those properties, lock properties will not be preserved. That is, we have a question. I think you remember exam question in that 41 questions. I asked one question like when we, if I taken the lock on a file, if I replicated the file, copy paste, okay, will it preserve locked information? I said no. Okay. Now I copy pasted. I wanted to rename this one. Okay. How can I rename? Right click, rename.
Name.
I just rename it to B. What I'm doing is, so this is my receiver handler B. Okay. Yeah. Package name also. Let's see.
No.
No.
sir.
Okay. Yeah, it is not given. Refactor. No. Once package is done, there will be a problem. If you change the package name, it will be a problem. It needs to be problem. Okay. Okay. So let's say I copy pasted this one, I can rename. Okay. Now I double click here. Here, I'm just changing my name instead of here. I will keep it as is, but I will do just to change it to receiver B. Okay. I did 2 receivers. Okay.
In
Just
one
saying my,
message, how
sorry, Anisha, just asking, saying something.
okay, another okay, sir. Okay.
Only receivers only. I
Ah,
have not created triggers so far.
okay, sir.
Okay. Copy paste 3 receivers. Just receiver handler, basically these are. Okay. Now rename. Okay. Okay, click OK. So now 3 receivers created, but I'm going to create a 3 triggers. Okay. Why this taking time? Right click, new.
New JMS trigger.
Okay. So receiver A. Okay. So destination name. Okay. First I need to create a connection. Default connection. Click OK. So second one is create customer. This is topic. Okay. I'm creating rule 1 service. It goes to receiver A.
Receiver handler A.
Yeah. This is 1. Let me see if I can do copy paste this also or not. Okay. Now, topic same, but this handler is different. Let me see B. Let me do this. Okay. So we know, like, if I create here one more destination, different destination, it becomes a join. Those two events should present. Then only if I set all, both events present, then only my handler will execute. If anyone, if I selected this anyone, so either of anyone, let's say create customer or one more destination, message present, handler will be executed. Only one. That means whichever first comes, that will be taken. The rest will be ignored. Okay. To work all these three, we need an activation. Remember activation field. Right?
Yes.
Activation should have the same value. Now I created the three receivers, two receivers. Okay, third receiver you can create similarly. Okay, let's copy paste also. We'll do it. It will not take much time. Right click, copy.
Okay.
Okay, so double click. So everything is same. Yeah, this one will be same. So when you publish now, we'll see what will happen. I'm going to right click, publish the message. And then close array. Publish. Published. Okay. If I see, yeah, the published message and three consumers. Okay. Okay. So, Anusha, did you download this Berry Tail?
I downloaded. Yes, sir.
So it's there in the download. Okay.
Yes.
So I can open this one. I can go to the logs and I can, oh, it's already open, that log. Okay. So I can see here, right? 3 received messages. Clear? Here, let's say I will publish one more message that is received or not. See here, 3 messages. So that means 3 receivers received the message, same message. Okay. In case of topic. Similarly, if you create a queue, only one will receive the message, not all 3. Okay. Now, let's say I wanted to create a durable subscriber, but is there a way I can disable my receiver? Disable. Is there a way disable? Okay. So receivers, I can go to my integration server. Let's see how can I disable that receiver. Can you type the password, Anisha? Okay. Trigger, JMS trigger. If you see here, we have 3 receivers, right? So in the code, there is no way I can stop it. This receiver, there is no option to disable. Activities I can do the disable. If I go to my handler, right? So let's say here, is there any disable? Disable. There is no disable, right? Here, only way is you can delete it, but delete is not an option, right? I want to stop receiver. Okay. In handler, if you can go, some of the activities you can disable. Right click, steps you can disable. Right? You remember steps disable. Where is disable?
Sir, and go down.
Yeah. See here. steps you can disable, but trigger there is no disable option here. Okay, so where you can disable is go to integration server here.
Here we can.
So you can here now I can disable this one. Okay, disable. Okay, save changes. Okay, that is disabled. Now let me publish a message. Now in logs we can see how many receivers are received. Okay, now I can send a message, close service. Okay, I publish. Now if I see here, only C and D only received. Okay, correct, right? C and B only received. But if I
How to
enable,
add, how to add this software AG integration for instance in file manager?
your voice is echo, getting echo. Can you repeat? Can you repeat and Nagaraj, right?
Sir, I'm not
Yes,
getting this output, sir. Very
Oh, they tell how it is coming, how they know like the
Ah,
messages. So
they
we
are
open the log file, server.log file. It's a text editor. This is a text editor only. Just like you right click and open log file. So you will go to this one folder, software AG folder. Actually, yesterday she opened, Ms. Anusha opened this
yes, sir. Integration server
integration server
instance
instances.
default logs
Default.
logs
Yeah.
logs server
So yesterday Anusha what she did
server
is right click,
server.
open with Verite. Choose another option.
Directly, I copied
Yeah,
and pasted, sir.
yeah, yeah. So what she did is here from open. Okay, she went to there
Open
and
option I did.
selected. Okay, so that's why
Server.
it's opening this file. You got it right, Nagaraj?
yes, sir, I got it.
Server.
Yeah, like this is open. That's why once it is open up, it always shows here the path also. That's what it is. Okay. Now, how to disable the trigger? You got it right? How to disable the
Yes,
trigger?
sir.
So I trigger disabled it, but now I'm enabling. But the previous message, it's lost. It will not receive. Okay. Even if I restarted, so only C and D only receive the message. Okay, and there is no message is received. Okay. So to make it more clear, what I'm doing is here, right? Sender. Before sender, I will add one more input field saying string. Okay, in. I'm using this just to see for us to understand this message, right? Send message. What I will do is I will map with this in. Okay,
String.
yeah, string. So what I will do is first I will copy this path so that I can add as a variable, local variable. Okay. Customer percentage control V, sorry, percentage is not percentage control V percentage, and I'm using this one. Okay, local variable. Okay, so now I will publish this message. See, everyone is reaching or not properly. Okay, let's say published. Okay, I will give one message here. One. Okay, first time I'm publishing one. So I can go and see all three received message one. Okay, now I'm going to disable this one, receiver A. We can do the testing like this. Okay, enable, I disable this one. Anyone can be disabled. It's not like one. I disable. Okay, disable means it's stopped basically. Think that it is stopped for some reason. Okay, now again I'm publishing the message. This time I will publish with value 2. Okay. Now my receiver
Literally two BNC.
only two only received. Okay. If I started my enabled, okay, I'm going to enable my receiver again. Okay, enable. Now I'm publishing again message. This time I'm publishing 3. Okay. Let me see. 2 messages. See, receiver A received third message, but it is not received the second message. You got it? So first time first message is received. Second message is received by only B and C. A is inactive. Okay. Now A is active. At the time a new message is published. So that new message only received by A, not the second message. Second message is lost. It's not received by A. You got it right? Everyone understands this one.
Yes, sir.
Now what I will do is that is a topic. I will go to the receiver. I will change receivers to durable. Okay, how it works. Now this is my durable name. So durable name I will give receiver. Unique name should be there. Receiver underscore A. Yeah, automatically it changes. Okay. So this is
durable
saved.
description.
Durable.
Subscriber name, if we give another name, what?
So this one now, destination will be same. Okay. So for this subscriber, durable name is receiver underscore A. Okay. So it creates a container for that. Basically, it's a kind of a bucket. Okay. Storage location will be created with receiver underscore A or receiver A. Or you can give A, anything you can give. It's not necessarily same. Okay, I will give A. Or break underscore A. Okay.
అట్లా కాదు సార్ 2% పక్క పెట్టేసాను. 10 కెమెరాస్ కి కొటేషన్ చేయండి, ఇంకోటేమో 3 కెమెరాస్ చేయండి.
Shiva. Can you mute yourself or Nagaraj? Meghana.
10 కెమెరాస్
Meghana, can you mute? Okay. Oh, from Anisha only is coming.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's okay. Okay, so receiver B. Okay, so topic, but I will give a rec something different. B. Okay, anything name you can give, but it should be unique. Okay, so I given B. This is durable. Okay, now I'm going to see. Here also I'm making a durable. So I will not make C as durable. Okay, A, B as a durable only. C as a normal topic. You're getting right? C as a normal topic, A and B are durable. Okay, now let me publish a message. Again, I'm publishing a message 4. Okay, we'll publish this. Now I'll go and see whether I received. Okay, C received 4, B, A, all are received 4th message. Okay, now A, we know A and B are the durable. C is not a durable. So I will disable this one. A is suspended or disabled. Okay, disable. Now, so that means suspended is no longer runnable. Okay, now I will publish a message now. Oh, server. Okay, why this is coming? Okay, I think your email. Can you start your
WhatsApp?
No, your the message is stopped. It says trial version, right? That's the problem. I need to check with them. I have a call with WebMethods on Friday. I will talk to them like, is there a way we can overcome this one? Trial version. Okay. So one is started, or where is your okay? This also is start.
Waiting for
Okay.
controllers.
Okay. So now, if you see this one, connector started everything. Let what happened to this one? Okay. Okay. Oh, okay. So I'm going here. It's not running. Okay. Now let me publish another message, fifth message. Okay, 4, 5. Okay, published. Then if I go here, only C and B are received. We know A is durable. Okay. B and C, B is a durable, C is non-durable. Durable topic, not durable subset, durable topic. Okay. Now, if I go again, start my A. Let's say 6 message, publish a 6th one also. Let's see what will happen. I'm publishing 6. Okay. 5th message, 5, 6. I'm publishing 6. Okay. If I go and see here, 5, 6 also received by C and D. Okay. 5, message 5, message 6. These two are not received by A so far because A is disabled. Okay.
Disabled. Yes.
Okay. Now I'm going to enable A. What will happen? Okay. Enabled. I'll go ahead and see. See. Receiver A received previous messages 5, 6. The moment it is enabled.
Okay. It is stored.
Yeah, automatically because it's pending, right? It's pending. It's a durable. It is pending in.
When it is
Yeah.
activated, it will be sent. Okay.
Correct. Yes. Suppose let's say I will stop it. Let's say all 3 are there. That means 7 message published. 7. Okay.
If you can stop that topic which is non-durable.
Yes. Yeah. That also we can see. So let's say 7 is message published. 1 is received or not. Yes. All 3 are received. Okay. Now I will go with our another scenario. Okay. What will happen? Now I'm disabling B for now. Okay. Okay, B disabled. I'm publishing 8, message 8, number 8. Okay, 8. Okay. So if I go and see, C and A only received 8 message. Okay. Now I will disable A also. Let me disable A also. Okay. So 8th one message is not received by B. Okay. I'm just noting down. 8th one not received by B. Okay. But A and C are received. A and C received. Okay. Now I'm publishing 9th one. Okay. I go and see only C received 9. Okay. Now in the notepad I'm mentioning now 9th one not received by A and B. Both are not received. C only received. Suppose let's say if I enable both, A will receive which message? B will receive which message?
8.
A will receive
Eight
ninth message and B will
A
receive
and B
8
will
and
1 at a time. Meghana, tell me.
9. A will receive ninth message and B
Hmm.
will receive both 8 and 9.
Correct. Shiva, is that correct? Same, right? Okay. So, yeah, I will go ahead. So that means separate storage will be created for A, separate storage will be created for B, because both are durable topics. Can you say that statement? Separate storage.
Storage.
So how separate storage? Based on like the subscriber name, durable subscriber name. Yeah, based on the name, it will store. It creates a separate storage. Okay, like that. This is how you can test. I enabled A. The moment I enabled A, the A received message 9. Okay, B is not received any message now. And now I'm going to enable B also. Okay, I will go to B. B received 8 and 9. Again, in the same order. It is not in the different order. First in, first out.
First out.
Okay, yeah. Is that clear? So how durable topic works? Okay,
Yes, sir.
you can create queue receivers also. Similarly, queue receivers. You can do the test.